O Toulouse vet fast. Exercice DI, 7 goal, en qui pupt cardio. Be surtout coin your calories, watch your portion size, en tout neves qui pamel. Considé à tréatme, sucha visitigna sona ordouin à bodivra. Lastoli, considé à die, suchat méditerrandie orte paléo die, buma que sur Tahiti right for you. Exercisigne Toulouse vet. Mac team for exercise. Exercisigne might actually make you gain a fait pound of muscle when you first star, buty en essentiel component of en long terme, sustainable vet los plan. Regardless of obusy you are, it essential to you make team to exercise and if you actually want to lose vet and keep it off. Even lit plotting like walking instead of driving to the store can affect quickly you lose vet. 1. Exercise wild ou un corps. Mac amani trip upster a possible, valkt dog retim day, endust, sweep, en mop with vigor. Un crouzete amouin of walking judo. Ose te sterovet escalator en parc a far from te store a you possibly can. Star a hobbit a involve moving around d'habit, even if it de and soundlik exercise. Gardening, building a small project, working on car, or playing with animal are all great way to burn calorie. Try out a circuit training program. If you are trying to lose weight quickly for a particular event on car a bookkeeping to vet off, you can try a condensed work routine. Many women on Health Magazine avait a personal trainer of a similar condensed work routine designed to maximize weight loss sans visible physical slimming with only a fed of gaining to regimen. The realistic about type of exercise you can do when starting a new program. If you are hoping to lose weight and keep it off, you will have to do more than a condensed fitness program. The best way to get into exercising by picking exercise that you are actually going to do and, hopefully, enjoy. If you are running, don't make it your main form of exercise. You will need much more motivation and than if you pick an exercise that you actually enjoy. Instead, try out different exercises until you find a fit that you really love, like swimming, biking, or even zumba. Remember ta game like volleyball, tennis, en even frisbee can help you burn calorie while having a blast, making exercise a social an activity you will want to enjoy every day. Tacup cardio training. Oui, la combination of cardio en resistance training are important for overall body health, cardiovascular training for best reçu, include but moderate and high intensity aerobic exercise. 2. Iwa will help you shed those pound quickly. Vet en resistance training dono lit to immediate vet loss, but can trigger your metabolism to use energy more efficiently. Keep your exercise regimen interesting. Variety it get to but promoting a healthy you and keeping you motivated. When you do some exercise day in and day out, you put yourself at high risk of injuring yourself. You are also more likely to become bored, thus making it harder to find motivation to keep exercising. While at gym, switch between machine, join a fitness class, and add some resistance training into your schedule. 3. Perform low impact aerobic activity. Moderate aerobic work incorporating brisk walking, cycling, aerobic machine, or swimming no only burn calories also keep your healthy. Some iron. Resistance training, vet training, can help men and women still and be building muscle and raising metabolism for a constant passive benefit. Vet loss strategy to incorporate both aerobic and vet training boost calorie burn significantly. Those workout require your entire body to exert an effort. The way, you work every muscle group and burn calorie with more muscle a on team, rest a list 24 to 48 hours between strength training session to some muscle group. Take on or 2 day of exercising a week. Like multitasking with your exercise. For instance, combine a form of resistance training, try raising a small dumbbell over a day you work, with your arm while you jog or cycle with your leg. jet en ougrest. Ben properly rested will help you maintain sufficient ergi true good day, making you less likely to overreact less prone to injury during physical activity. Sleep deficiency a actually been linked to an inability to lose fat, so getting on nug sleep can really help you on your path to losing weight. Rapid weight loss die. Doajuis clans. The method also known at Hollywood die. There are many different most juice fast last on or 2 day. Trade en extreme fast. Of juice clans out ter. Ove, te main concept to only consume juice made from raw fruit en vegetable. The clans will remove toxin from your system, helping you lose weight will also making you feel more alert and healthy. 6. You can IT buy a cleansing package from a health store or company online, or you can buy your own juice. 7. Be sure you incorporate plenty of vegetables into your juicing routine. Fruit juice contain a lot of sugar, and drinking a lot of it will cause you to gain weight instead of losing it. Some of the most popular clans brands include Cole Clans, Blueprint, and Leaf Juice. Consider Tomaste clans. Ti en extreme, short term die. It no recommended for healthy, long term weight loss. Tomaste clans a liquide on dieta consist of almonade de lemon, cayenne pepper podé, maple syrup, en water, a saltwater drink, en herbal laxative. Die last forces day, trade of a tot die be only yatin raw fruit en veggie, die de of the liquide only die. Entre mording back into solid food. Beavarta die should only done for very short term weight loss and is supposed to function as detoxifying clans ratétant a strict weight loss routine. Treat water die. Die involve drinking a day total of about 64 fluids, 8 cups, of cold water, no a water only die. Continue to eat healthy meal. A water only die dangerous en can lead to late weight gain due to a slowed metabolism. 9. A regular interval through good day. Drink a glass of water before meal to suppress your appetite. Don't will help you get into the habit of limiting the portion of food you consume during a meal. By drinking water, you will feel full before a meal, thus helping you consume less calories. Treat fasting die. Tidablant dieta our body built to go through both time of feasting and time of famine as such, the should occasionally regret the famine par. Tidie requiert a for 2 day a week, you should only eat 500, if you're a man, or 600, if you're a man, calories. On the fasting day, dieter should stick to eating only vegetable, seed, légumes, en somme fruits. 10. Tidie requiert you continue your exercise regimen on fasting day as well as on regular day. As into it be fasting for un 2 day on say how you feel before you commit to long term fasting. Consider the HCG die. The highly controversial dieta combine injection or supplement of HCG, human chorionigonadotropin, warning, HCG injection are no supported by scientific evidence, en mab dangerous to your health. 11. With a severely restricted calorie intake. Calorie restriction alone, only 500 to 800 calories per day, en nous to promote weight loss in most people, it is significantly under the recommended daily calorie allowance, even for people attempting to lose weight. People give the enselve dose of HCG via injection or in drop form. Making an eating plan. Coin calorie. Knowing the minimum amount of calorie your body needs to function correctly will help you make your own personalized healthy eating plan and lose weight in a way that can be sustainable. Your individual calorie need will vary based on age, gender, et, and activity level. Rare online calculator you can use to determine the amount of calorie you should be consuming a day. 13. You can also figure out how much you should be eating by scheduling a consultation with a dietitian or a physician to discuss your weight loss goal, special dietary need, current habit, and potential area for improvement. Develop a meal plan. Ose melta ava healthy balance of végétables, fruits, whole grain, good fat, en lent protein. Atypical dîner plate should be with elf vegetables or fruits, alf whole grain en lent protein. Dash die, te TLC die, te maillot clinique die, te vet watch die en volume trical provi de Gréamel plan to help you lose vet starting today. Run en internet search on en yoft die en mail plan to fin out more. Yat food à suppressure appetite. Yatigne balanced mel will no only provide you with low calorie nutrition, it will also help to suppressure appetite so you on overea en foil your plan to lose weight. There are certain food à keep you feeling sated for your. Try incorporating the following food into your diet. Grapefruit. Oatmeal. Apple. Egg. Jungi. Nut. Leafy green. Potato. Dark chocolate. Spicy food. Keep a food diary. Vrit don every meal, snack, and drink you consume avel at l'approximate quantity for en entier week. Everything done why you consume actually helps to remain mindful of wave point our body en act a motivator to stay healthy. If you can, vrit don't be of calories to go along with a meal or snack we at. Don't forget to include coffee mix, condiments,